Lenovo's L series sits right in between the higher quality T series and the more affordable entry-level E series, and is aimed primarily at business users. This particular laptop is equipped with AMD Ryzen 5 Pro 4650U with Radeon Graphics, 8GB of RAM, IPS anti-glare panel with Full HD resolution, and M2, 512GB Samsung SSD. Entire top of the case is made of roughened plastic. The two hinges are firm and offer the perfect amount of resistance required to ensure that one-handed opening remains possible. The ThinkPad neither creaks nor flexes considerably. Overall build quality is solid. The laptop is very light, weighing only 1.688 kilograms. The maximum opening angle is 180 degrees. USB-C with power delivery, docking port, USB 3.0, HDMI 2.0, microSD and SIM slot, Ethernet, smart card reader, audio combo port, USB 3.0, Kensington lock. The panel itself is a relatively inexpensive IPS panel. The L14 is unsuitable for serious photo editing but should work perfectly fine in typical office and business environments. The ThinkPad L14 is very quiet and idle and on stress as well. Great news is that thanks to AMD Ryzen there is no throttling and temperatures are very low, which means that this laptop has very good efficiency. Lenovo L14 offers sturdy high-quality case, pleasant-to-use keyboard, easy maintenance, and lots of ports. This laptop will work well in the office and at home.